As we said, transition can be used not only to make the whole presentation a little bit more lively, but also to create some sort of animation. And the best way to create animation is to use one of the ways of transitioning, which is called morphing. I'm going to show you how powerful it is using an example of a funnel. So we wanted to show on a few slides how you can present in a different way funnels. So here we see one of the most typical funnels that you can come across, which consists of 4 stages. So attention, interest, desire, and action. In this case, it will be most likely purchasing. And you can show it in such a form. However, you can also show it like this, or like that, or even like that. And if you want to add also some description, a wider form will be extremely useful. And everything we did here with morphing, which is one of the way of transition, and we're gonna just try to do that right now. So let's go to edit mode. And here we will try to recreate the things we have shown you on previous slides. So first we have to copy this slide, and then we have to rotate the bars. If we rotate it without grouping, then it will be just one line. So we will first group it, and then we go to shape format, and here we're gonna rotate it like that, and we're gonna ungroup it again. Now again, we're gonna go and copy slide one more time. Now we want this funnel to be just bars aligned to the line which starts at the longest part. So we'll go to shape format, then align, and align bottom. We've got the third one. Now we want to have small boxes. So we will copy this one more time, and we will simply select all the bars, and we will make them the same size. So let's say like that. And the last one, as you might remember, were the same things but thicker. So again, copy the slide, and we select all of them. We go to shape format, we make them bigger, thicker, let's say like that. And maybe let's make them stand out a little bit further away. We have to select them and distribute them horizontally. Still not enough space, so let's move it maybe a little bit here. And again, we select, we go here to alignment and distribute horizontally. Still too big, so let's make it 4. Maybe 5 will be better. So yeah, roughly we achieved the result. So now we've got roughly what we wanted, and the only thing we have to put in is the transition. So we go to the slide and we simply go to transition, morph, and there you go. We do the same effect on the next slide, on the next slide, and the last one. So as you can see, we have achieved the effect. Go to the slide show option to check it. So this is the original, the second way to present it, third, fourth, and the last one. So we started with the basic slide, then we copied it a few times. We altered the way we want to present the funnel, and the whole animation was actually done automatically by PowerPoint using the transition morph option. Again, I would recommend now to pause the lecture and try to repeat what we have shown here on your own in PowerPoint. Bear in mind that this option of transition through morphing is available in newer versions like PowerPoint 365.